Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today we're gonna cook some taters, some sausage, and some onions, and man, it's gonna be mighty fine. So let's get started. Right here I have my 11-inch skillet. I'm gonna put some canola oil in there, just about that much. It's probably about, I don't know, a quarter cup or so, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan, about 1/8 of an inch or so. Then I'm gonna add in 4 tablespoons of butter. Let that get melted. What I got here is about 6 small russet potatoes that I sliced up about a 1/4 inch thick, and I put them over some paper towels and kind of tried to dry them off as much as I could. Now our butter and oil all melted, getting hot. We're just going to start adding these taters in here. Oh, you can't see. Now we got them all in the pan. We're going to hit them with some salt, just a little. And the good old cracked black pepper. And some garlic powder. Just going to stir them up a little bit. Get all them seasonings mixed up in there. Then kind of spread them out even. Just let them get nice and brown. Taters been cooking about 10 minutes or so. And after about 10 minutes, we haven't messed with them. We're just going to go ahead and flip them. They're getting nice golden brown. We got them flipped. Now we're just going to let them cook probably for about another 10 minutes or so. And then we'll flip them again, see what they're looking like. It's been about another 5 or 10 more minutes. I'm going to go ahead and flip them again. Now they're getting nice. Get them all flipped here. Now they're starting to look good. I'm going to keep letting them cook, probably let them cook for another 5 more minutes because I want to see a little bit more color on them. Then I'm going to show y'all what we're going to do next. And man, it's going to be mighty fine, I tell you. This right here is country style potatoes. Been about another 5 minutes. Let's flip the taters, see what they're looking like. That right there is what you want. See, nice and golden. Now what I'm going to do is pull these off and put them on these paper towels right here to drain some of that grease. We're making sort of a casserole type potato thing. So let me get that off there. Alright, got all the potatoes off and set these to the side for a minute. So what we're going to add to it now is I've got some beef smoked sausage. I'm going to slice this up in coins. And I've got just a white onion. I'm going to use half the white onion. And then I have 8 ounces of these white mushrooms. And I'm probably just going to quarter these. And I'm going to use the whole package. Now I've drained pretty much all the grease out of the pan that we cooked the taters in. And right here is our sausage. Looking good. Just sliced it up like that. Gonna dump that in there. And our onion. And now our mushrooms that we quartered up. Alright, so we got that in the pan. We're just cooking it over medium heat. I'm gonna add a little bit of cracked black pepper to it. And a little bit of garlic powder. Stir that around. We're going to let it cook until the sausage starts to get brown and everything starts to cook. Our sausage and onion mushroom mixture, it's cooked up pretty nice. Sausage is getting brown. Man, this is going to be mighty fine, I tell you. Alright, let me show y'all how to assemble this mighty fine dish here. So I got an 8x8 Pyrex dish, and I layered the potatoes in the bottom of it, all of them. And I'm going to take some of this triple cheddar cheese. I'm going to put just a little bit down over top of the taters, just like that. Now I'm going to take our sausage, onion, mushroom mixture, just pour it right over the top of it. Alright, once I got that over the top of it, just going to spread it out just like that. Make sure it's pretty good and even. Now we're going to take the rest of this bag of cheese, and this is an 8-ounce bag. Just go ahead and dump the rest of it right over the top of it. And spread it out. And I got the oven preheated at 400 degrees. We're going to throw this in the oven. Just let it cook until the cheese gets good, nice and melted. Just pulled it out of the oven, and after about 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. Man, sure does smell mighty fine. Let's fix us a plate. Here it is, looking mighty fine. Let's give it a try. Make sure we get a little bit of everything. Sausage, onions, oh, and then a mushroom. There we go. Let's try this out. Look at that. That right there really is mighty fine. I like to put ketchup on it. You could also put some sour cream on it, a little green onion, make it look fancy. Good like that too. Well, hope you all enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Cheers, y'all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.